Let's trade with an amazing strategy here with Quotex Trading Broker. We got straight wins on our previous trading result using only the Zigzag, Bollinger Bands, and the RSI indicator. I will tell you that trading options are simple and very promising. Make sure to practice first before trading on a real account. Make sure to deal with the highest ROI possible to raise your trading account quickly. Okay, let's now add up our currencies to be traded. You can also pick your desired currencies, whether an OTC one or a normal one. Okay, we're done setting up our trading chart. I will show you on how to trade with this trading method. Take a look at the CAD, CHF. Each trend goes up for more than minutes. Our RSI here is already reaching its maximum resistance level. Then it comes its candle bar to the top resistance band level. Let us wait for the candlestick pattern to shift, forming into reversal. It creates a hammer candle here, then makes a red candle go down. Let's trade and go for a down. I am trading for $20 with 1 minute duration time. The trend goes down. Then our zigzag already changes its direction going down. Got our trading result. Let's trade with another currency pair. Euro USD got good position here. Its RSI line is at the bottom. Then it creates a hammer candle here. Let's go trade higher. Got our trading profit. Another confirmation here. Let's go trade down. See the rest of the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to get the latest strategies trading with Quotex and other binary options trading broker.